Alright, welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, my friends. Today we're on the magnificent Hauraki Golf Course. So we're just going to be taking a little bit of a tour around the Hauraki Golf Course. Why are we on the Hauraki Golf Course? Well, they came to us and they wanted somewhere amazing to store their electric golf carts. So we thought, Waikato Sheds, we want to help out, we want to make sure that we're looking after our local community. So we came up with some deals, we hit up some suppliers, and we worked in with Kyron and built an amazing shed for them. But before we do, let's have a look around this magnificent course of ours. We're going past the beautiful sculpted waterways of the Hauraki Golf Course. Shortly we're going to be passing the magnificent clubhouse as well. Fully stocked bar, kitchen, great for functions, great for a cold beer afterwards. Big wide expensive windows that open out. Coming up here as well, on my left we're going to have the first tee of the golf course, the number one tee in fact. That's it, we've got a few local characters out there on the course. Famous Deputy Principal Nick Joins out there with a couple of the boys. Oscar and Hayden out there, going out there and doing their business. Screwing it, and got this lovely little Lions project. Lions Club in Ngatea, great group of guys and ladies as well with the Lionesses now. Always helping out the community and doing wonderful things. So there we are, boys juggling away, doing a great job over there, showing us how it's done on it. Round on our right here, we sweep round this beautiful bend and we come back round to the 9th and then through to the 18th hole as well. We've actually got a few characters that we might have seen from some episodes before. Coming up, let's pull up to them. You get a great shot of the golf shed here. Here we go, just coming up, passing us. We got Super Sammy, Trent, Jack, no doubt playing some fantastic golf. Jack building the Auto Super Shop. Great game so far, boys?
Not bad, not bad. It's beautiful. Pretty good.
Beautiful. Lovely golfing, that's it. They've got cokes there, so they're being responsible young men, no doubt. No mixers going on this course. So let's roll around. We've got the putting green here. And we're going right over to this wonderful looking shed. So coming past here, we used to have all the golf carts stored in under there. But for health and safety reasons, charging electric golf carts, not necessarily the optimum option. So here we are in the car park and we're cruising on through. Nice, well, great car park, lots of room. And then we're going to be rolling up to a nice 3-bay, 8x12, beautiful standard sizing for a shed. Nice 3-roller doors. You'll notice that they've been sponsored here by Dominator, my man Melt, and then Lee from B&D Doors. They've actually hooked us up here and they've sponsored these doors and done a great deal for us as well. So shortly we'll go inside, but before we do, got a colour steel T-rib, excellent flashing work. Metalcraft have done all of that for us as well. Nice 125 gutter, big 120 mil downpipes. That's it. Automatic roller doors by Mark, great work. Young Sean would have preferred a motor. So we come on inside to the shed and it's a wonderful shed, kitted out. We've got all of the charging stations in here ready and set up for all of it. All New Zealand steel, A1. Once again, another great job on the concrete, they've done it here. So it's looking great. Mark, what are your thoughts on the build quality here that Kyron's delivered?
Just fantastic. He's got a real great eye for detail, Kyron. All this flashing work's really spot on. And everything's just really clean and nicely done. And it's just another example of a super strong Waikato shed, which is fantastic.
That's it. I'm pumped. This shed is awesome. We've done a great job. You come off the 18th hole, you see the shed, you see the sign, you know you're in a great place. Hauraki Golf Course is awesome. The Hauraki Plains are awesome. I love living here. It's a great life. So if you enjoyed it, like it, any questions you want to know, hit us up. But otherwise, cheers for watching and cheers for supporting all this awesome stuff we do. Woo!